business. Only part I fucked up is when I came home locked in with bitches. I picked up G19, I got a built-in friend locked in with switches. Drop my ski back in that V so don't get caught on that front street. And how they smoking on bro, yo bro tripped and fell, died in the street. I'm coming through straight slime and shit, you got a pole, ooh let me see. Get back little bitch cause now you beat. If you reach then I'ma teach. If you think you come around here checking me, gon' meet the glee. I fuck around, make you put sport mode on your feet, stop playing with me. My sister died 2K10. I jumped off the porch when I was 10. And me and bro stay beating the road when they ask where I'm at, I don't know what that mean. And me and bro stay swapping poles, we got 2 V's but hella keys. Swing they block, they switch to V. This a push start with no key. She think she killing me, she don't know that type of shit, it turn me on. Like bitch get on your knees and eat the meat until you see the bone. She said I tell the world about it, I talk about it in my song. All these bitches going, all these bitches going, am I wrong? Like why your pussy showing, why your titties showing, you think you grown? Like BTA gon' get that belt, finna beat her like the last bitch, she gon' see just how she felt. Oh her ass